all globby. Ooh, ah. Hey guys, it's me Norie, and today we're going to be dyeing our hair pink. So, if you didn't see my last video, go check it out. It shows how I got to this point from black, basically black hair. And we're going to try to color our hair today pink, which you guys chose in a poll I did. And I'm using L'Oreal Colorista, and I'm going to assume that it's not going to work very well because I have such, like, dark hair, orangish color. And right here it says, not recommended or no visible result for dark blonde or darker. But we're going to try anyway because we're not going to give up. Never gonna give you up. This isn't the same day from the other video, so my hair is going through all of it yesterday and today. This is semi-permanent, and it says that it's going to last about 2 to 5 shampoos. Here is what it comes with. It comes with the actual color. I love this color packaging. It's my favorite color ever. And it comes with instructions, and I'm guessing gloves, and a little brush, which is really nice. I sectioned off my hair into 2 parts, and it actually came with a bunch of black gloves, which is pretty nice, because I think I cut through the first few. I feel like this is just going to turn out awful, and I am not ready for that, okay? But, you know what? No, I am ready for that. I'm ready for the end. Why do I want to sniff everything? Let me open this and sniff. Get a good whiff. Actually, I can't open it. I feel like it's going to be really patchy, but whatever. Let's get the first gloop. Ooh, ah. Okay. We're just going in. We're going in. Wait, it's not showing up. Barely. Ugh. Oh, such a fun color. It's like magenta. Dang, I thought it would look more like really crazy, but it's not looking too crazy so far, if you can tell. It's really not showing up. This is just gonna be a fail, I can already tell. Oh my god. Where is the color? Dang it, come on. I'm just gonna do the other side because I'm scared we're gonna run out somehow. Honestly, I don't see anything happening. My hair's too dry. I want to look like a Hot Topic employee, man. That's the kind of pink I want to go for. No, I really want pastel pink, but I just don't see that happening for me. Some people were born to be pastel pink, and I was just born to not ever get a color, I think. Okay, I need to calm down a little bit. Okay, top down AC with the boom system. Get it? Because my top down. Okay, never mind. At least this doesn't smell like anything. It's like not strong at all. Unlike the toner. Yeah, there's no scent, which is a little disappointing. I wish they kind of scented it bubblegum so that I can eat it. Just kidding, don't eat it. I love how messed up my hair is. I'm sorry guys, like, if this doesn't work, I'm sorry because I really wanted it to work because you guys voted on it. But I don't think pastels are really in the books for me. I'm just not meant to be a pastel girl. What am I hoping for? I don't know. This... Oh no, yeah, that was a good gloop. I'm just gonna be squeezing a bunch. A whole lot of bunch. Look at that. Ooh, that reminds me of the 90s, even though I was born in 1999. What would I know? Come on. Stick, pink, stick! So this is what I have so far. I used almost most of the bottle, but there's actually a lot in here. I thought there would not be that much. But I think I'm gonna leave it just in case, like in the future, if I want to do a retouch up. But look at this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It looks like it's kind of like pink, but at the very least, I hope it's rose gold and like cool, so I can pass it off as rose gold. But I don't think I'm gonna be able to achieve pastel pink. But this is what it looks like. This poor cape. Look at this freaking hair cape. It's gone through so much. Ugh, it's all globby. I'm going to wait 30 minutes and then I'm going to wash it out. Or no, like 20 minutes. Y'all, I forgot a single strand in the back of my head. Where did it go? Oh gosh. Oh gee. Okay. I'm gonna do this barehanded. Remember when I was like, I'm gonna use a glove? Well, fuck that. Okay. Hopefully there's nothing else in the back. Ah, there's some stuck in the freaking Velcro. Okay. Hopefully that's all of it. Gross. Okay guys, I am back from the rinsing of my hair. I rinsed out my hair and then I'm starting to put leave-in conditioner on the right side, but as you can see it's a little bit tinted pink, but it looks kind of magenta. So yeah, I'm just putting this Garnier Fructis Strengthening Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask Banana Extract, and I think this is expired too, but I'm gross, so it's okay. Yeah, I'm just lathering it on because my hair has gone through so much, and it's time to treat herself. Okay. I mean, as you can see, it's like pretty damn pink. Whoa. But it's definitely not going to be pastel pink as I had hoped. But you can't all have nice things, you know. Okay, I thought I was going to sneeze, and I didn't sneeze, and it was really tragic. So much hair fall out. That's just normal, guys. It's not because of the bleach. My hair always falls out excessively. But I'm just lathering this conditioner on. Ooh, fancy. It's very wet. This looks kind of fun. Okay, I'm going to leave this deep conditioner in for a little bit. Also, I used a dark towel to dry my hair because I thought it was going to leak, but when I washed my hair, there was like barely any pink. There was like a slight hint, a taste of rose colored, but I don't think it's that big of a deal if you get it on your towel because I don't think it's going to stain, but it smells good. Hey guys, it's a different day, but ready for the final reveal. This is my hair. I haven't brushed it, but this is what it looks like. This is nothing like what I was going for. If you can kind of tell, it looks a little bit more pink on camera, I feel like, but it just looks like it went back to brassy, so that's just great because I went and got toner, and now it looks brassy again, but this is the situation. It's just, I don't know what I was expecting. Oh god. But my hair's like super not brushed out, but yikes. I mean, it's not even really rose gold. It's just like brassy and then some pink in random areas. This is the back of my hair. This is what it looks like. This is in like bright light. Yeah, I did 2 bleaches, toner, and this, and it's probably cheaper or like easier to just go somewhere to get it done, but you know what, where's the fun in that? So this is my hair. Do I regret my choices? Yes, I would not do this again. But maybe if this washes out, I might try purple because that was the second pick in the poll, and I think it'll like be better for this hair because it'll show up more and it'll tone down the orange possibly? Question mark?